How many days left? One day I go back to like the
Ew, Daphne. What? Spittle. Tell him not to spit no more. I'm sorry. What are you talking about, Mama? Yeah. Yeah. Show everybody your toesies. See my mommy painted my look. See my mommy painted my toesies. Can mommy see? You're not gonna show? There we go. I saw a little bit. See, I just got my toes done. She holding her feet like she gotta let them dry. What's wrong, Mama? Huh? What's the matter? What's wrong? What's the matter with my pretty girl? I know. I know. Yeah. Since my dad left, I don't know where he went to.